What's up, guys? I made over $1,200 in 1 hour on one TikTok live stream doing live battles in 1 hour. $1,200, and you can do it too. Here's the proof. There's the proof right there, guys. There's 3 deposits, one for $307, one for $206, and another one for $30. The total is over $1,200 on one TikTok live. And there's the actual deposit right there, $1,144.78 after being on a TikTok live for about 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. Guys, I can show you how to do this every single day and make a lot of money on TikTok. I told you there was the proof, guys. Listen, if you want to join my TikTok training program, contact me right here or tap the link in my description. I have clients. Some clients making over $5,000 in a day. I have one client that makes over $10,000 in a day, okay? It's not that hard. You just have to add the system to your TikTok account. There is a little small group of a couple of hundred people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year on TikTok Live, guys, and it is not luck. There is no more luck on TikTok. There is a secret strategy that we are using. Contact me here, get me on a live call. I'll show you how to do it in about 60 minutes, and I promise you, I don't guarantee it, I promise you, you will not believe how much money you can make on TikTok Live.